Rare to see on our website nowadays, but what a car this is. Mercedes-Benz C200 Petrol, fabulous engine, but this one is a 4Matic car, so full four-wheel drive makes it an instant seller in brilliant blue, an excellent colour for the car as well. It's a premium line on a 2017 67 with just 25,000 miles. It honestly doesn't come much better than this for a value for money car. Being four-wheel drive, being a petrol, which is the rarer engine and a very, very popular engine at that. This car's a premium with an opening sunroof, reversing camera, electric memory seats. It's got everything going for it, and in an immaculate condition, it's a lovely, lovely car. Diamond grille to the front, LED high-performance Mercedes-Benz headlights, front and rear parking sensors. It is an AMG car, so sportier stance on the road, brilliant performance. 18-inch star-spoke diamond cut wheels, but the car is a beautiful car. Being a premium, it has keyless entry, keyless start, but it is the 4Matic that'll sell this car, as well as having the key features like the opening sunroof. It's a pretty rare thing. So if you're in the market for a brilliant looking car, coupe with Mercedes-Benz prestige, and all the things that come along with owning a car like this, then this is the car. Keyless entry, full leather interior, flat bottom steering wheel. If you notice into the door, we have got the ambient lighting just under here, folding door mirrors, memory seats for driver and passenger, which are heated at the front as well. It's a really, really nice thing. Jumping in, look at the sunroof. Being a premium, it has got those nice premium features, but with just 25,000 miles on, honestly, what a car this is. Gears on the Mercedes are on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, so it's a very sporty setup. Popping the car into reverse like so, you can see we've got the reversing camera. Little button on the bottom to park it, down to drive it, that's how easy it is. Navigation, Bluetooth, everything is there. DAB radio, it really is a cracking car. You've also got different driving modes for this car, switchable with a little drive select down here, Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, Eco. Being the four-wheel drive, being the petrol car, it's rare and it will sell fast. So if you're interested in this particular car, let us know. With the sunroof, 4Matic, brilliant price. Just buy the car, don't hang around. Use my number on the screen to give me a call. My name's Richard. Speak to you soon.